Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to see your pending Facebook invitations on an Android device. Pending invitations can include friend requests, page invitations, and group invitations, and it's important to keep track of them to avoid missing out on important updates and events. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook app and log in. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device and log in with your credentials. Step 2. Tap the three stacked lines. Next, tap the three stacked lines in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. This will open the Facebook menu. Step 3. Tap on the Pages button. From the menu, tap on the Pages button. This will take you to your Facebook pages. Step 4. Choose Invitations from above on the Pages screen. You'll see a row of tabs at the top. Choose the Invitations tab to see your pending invitations. Here, you can see all the invitations that you have received and their status. And that's it. You've successfully found your pending Facebook invitations on your Android device. Keeping track of your pending Facebook invitations is important to ensure that you don't miss out on any important updates or events. Responding to friend requests, page invitations, and group invitations in a timely manner can also help you stay connected with your network on Facebook. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.